The reason why I'm making this video, I checked into the Fairfield Marriott and my refrigerator does not work. And I do not want my food to spoil because I will be gone all day later today. It is after 2 a.m. almost. And look at that. Do you see that? From my favorite Chinese restaurant. And I will not let my food spoil. And look at my edamame. I love edamame. Look, I have 3 orders of edamame. Look, 1, 2, and 3. I love edamame. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Edamame is so good. I love it. Look at that. And this is free. The lo mein was free. They always hook me up. The owner is one of my very best friends. And they give me a birthday party every year at their restaurant. The entire family. And just me. They're awesome. I would tell you where it is, but it's my best kept secret. And I will tell you, any place that you eat that's any food of any other ethnicity, if you do not see people eat there of the same ethnicity, like entire families, the food is not good. I will tell you. All of the carryouts in most major cities, when you go to a Chinese restaurant, you hardly ever see, or carry out, and you hardly ever see any Chinese people eat there. That's a thought. If you do not see them eat there, the food is not the best quality. Just saying.